Club 1341, Pigeon Forge, Tennessee presents Shadowed Self, Fence Break, and featuring Waking Terra. That's Saturday, May 21st at 8 p.m., Club 1341.
Here's Cinder Block by One Eyed Doll.
In my room, hiding under the bed, can't seem to quiet the screaming in my head. Daddy is drinking, he's angry again. Crawl out the window, he'll be out cold by 10. Walking downtown, singing songs to myself, wishing that I could be somebody else. A man on the sidewalk who's been there since dawn asks for a dime and he sings me this song. This town isn't big enough for the two of us. This town isn't big enough for the two of us. This town isn't big enough for the two of us. So goodbye. So goodbye. Back at the trailer, it's quiet and dim. Daddy's asleep with a bottle of gin. I see my reflection in the mirror again. Bruises and scars, how it hurts to be 10. This town isn't big enough for the two of us. This town isn't big enough for the two of us. This town isn't big enough for the two of us. So goodbye. So goodbye. From the shelves that he made, I take a cinder block. I lift it up high, such a heavy rock. Above Daddy's head, I hold my liberty. As I let it drop, this is what I sing. Whoa, 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 whoa. This town isn't big enough for the two of us. This town isn't big enough for the two of us. No, this town isn't big enough for the two of us. So goodbye. This town isn't big enough for the goodbye.
The School of Morton presents No Love Lost, Sunday, February 28th at 5 p.m. with a no DQ East Tennessee title match, plus many, many more. Jerry Sampson versus Big John Z with Delilah. That's the School of Morton, 2085 Chuckey Highway, Chuckey, Tennessee. No Love Lost, Sunday, February 28th at 5 p.m.
We don't need to fucking practice, Randy!
Just Killing Abraham with Let You Go.
I can see it in your eyes, promises you've broken, always running from your life and the lies you've spoken, fearing what you left behind, leaves you with your sorrow, always looking for the fight, waiting for tomorrow. Time and time again, I'm wondering who's next. I don't wanna be your story, there's nothing left for me. Your lies are overrated, why won't you let me be? All of these memories fading, so I watch you burn, but something inside me just won't let you go. I'm watching as you push away everyone that's fallen. You're turning hard love into hate, it leaves you all controlling. And I can watch you walk away with intent to follow, 'cause you're the one to face the fate, 'cause in the end you fall alone. Time and time again, I'm wondering who's next. I don't wanna be your story, there's nothing left for me. Your lies are overrated, why won't you let me be? All of these memories fading,
Hyperion and Tri-City Local Music presents St. Patrick's Day Weekend Party, March 19th with Below 7. Come out and celebrate the luck of the Irish and get your hands on some great food and drink specials from the Hyperion. That's Saturday, March 19th at 9 p.m. And as always, there's never a cover at the Hyperion. Must be 21 and ID is required. Brought to you by the Hyperion, Greenville, Tennessee, and Tri-City Local Music.
Makes you wonder why we're here.
The Hideaway, Johnson City, Tennessee presents Promise the World, Guerrilla Warfare, and a Fleeting Farewell, Friday, March 25th at 9 p.m. Come out for a great night of metal music. That's Friday, March 25th. Must be 18. ID is required. Admission is just $8. Brought to you by The Hideaway and Tri-City Local Music.
We